Hey guys, so for today, you can see it's only 9:50. This one I learned from yesterday is always to scale out. So okay, I just keep this short. Firstly, I started off with ITP. As you can see, I think it was pre-market around 9. I got in as in seeing it. I was only seeing like it could be a from this area. It could be a like a ABCD or wedge or a lightning bolt, however you want to call it. So based on here, I added here and then sold off half for the pop here. Like from what we learned yesterday, to always sell off always scale up because I missed out 40% move yesterday. And then yeah, so it came back down here. So I see it's really forming like a ABCD. So I didn't sold off or panning out here, and it kinda still following the trend line. So sold off around here. So two nice trade over here. I didn't want to bring it over into the open because I'm not really a fan of penny stocks. As in, I'm not really a fan of anything below $2. Yeah, and previously the volume was pretty low. As you can see, it was kind of like a medium risk, medium reward kind of trade. So I got a feeling it will just tank to the view up when the market opened, and which is why I sold off here. Like I mean, I'm not too far from the top, so I'm happy with it. This is just in a way solid trade. And I know today, as in actually I don't even know what is this ITP. I just saw it appear on the scanner and the graph looks really good. So when I actually look back, you can see it's actually a really bullish pattern. Have a gut feeling tells me that you were sold off in the pre-market. I mean the when the market opens, so I back off from it, not wanting to pick any in. And the one is PTIX, and I missed this move as this period of time I was still looking at ITP and possibly other tickers to see if there's any move. And PTIX, this one for me is too far off. I don't want to chase anything. Thankfully, I didn't chase. And other than that, NBRB, which if I'm not wrong had decent news and stuff, but it was too volatile. I I saw the sold off as in when the market opened today, most of the tickers just sold off. So thankfully I stood away from here. PRS similar is sold off, and you can see it just basically you just fade off for the whole day. So yeah, this is not worth watching anymore. PTRX is still looking alright, but I'll just leave it in the ticker, but I wouldn't really play it because I already achieved my goal today, which as in I already achieved my daily goal, so I don't want to touch any. I mean, I don't want to lose back my profit, although I know like maybe that could be better moves, like let's say PTIX move back up, but it's not something I want. I just stick by my rule. If let's say I get certain percentage, then I'm done for the day. As you can see, it's only 9:53. So ITV, I talk about it, and then VRV, yeah, this is too volatile to my liking, and basically there's not gonna be any big move, so a very scopy play, which is not what I like. And the main thing today, GME and AMC. So basically these two meme stock, Wall Street bet stocks, however you want to call it. So as you can see, pre-market, that's a pretty good move. Around 210, and then the high was like 236, and then when the market opened, you can see it went up to 243. But then I don't know. Listen, I didn't really read the news today because I came home pretty late today. So I started at around 9, which is why I only started with ITP. AMC similar. I think AMC kind of moved based on GME. MBS is a old ticker, which made a pretty nice move. I wasn't inside. SPS was just looking at it. Third day rate similar. Maybe tomorrow for SCPS, and yeah, I will just leave these two here. Muzi of flats, nothing much. BTX of RHE, nothing. Oh, actually there's some RHE move here. Kinda miss it. Not worth watching. And OCGN, oh yeah, actually as you can see there's a lot of plays, but there's always the FOMO factor. However, I mean, just think of it this way. Let's say you hit a profit of 10, let's say 10%, and then if you continue to play, what's gonna happen? Potentially, okay, let's say you walk away with 15%, 20%, but on the other hand, you could be walking away with like the next trade could be down to 5%. I'll be thinking like, oh damn it, I want to earn back the 5%, so I go for another trade and I'm down to 0. So what am I thinking? Of course, I'll be thinking like, okay, just one more trade, 5%, I will lock up, and then I'm down in the red. I'll probably feel like really shit that happens to me. So despite RHE popping off, OCGN popping off, and not, that doesn't bother me. So I'll just quickly do over this recap and then lock off. AMS, nothing much. PT, okay, so I talk about it. The first trade I took was ITP, right? After that, as I was looking around, GME, AMC, meme stock. So what else could be tagging along today's theme? The meme stock itself. So TKAT, I actually, this was the only ticker on my watch list today that didn't sold off into the open. I mean also PTX, but most of the stocks except these 3 meme stocks sold off into the open. So okay, back to TKAT. Yeah, so basically it was going up. Okay, what was this trend line? Probably something previously. Yeah, doesn't matter that. Okay. So yeah, as in this sort of here, I got in around here, sort of around here, and as you can see, it's slowly wedged up. We see the pattern, which was the juicy $2 move. But after this trade, I just basically told myself like, okay, stop. That's it for today. So yeah, I mean, for more kills, okay. So speaking from experience, don't go chasing any leads. I mean, this play is TKAT. You won't know what might happen. You might just come back down, and then you have to wait for it to set up again. So basically, I got what my daily goals, and I chose to lock up. So yeah, medium green day for me. Quite happy with that. So I'm able to walk off quite early. I got out around 9:46, as you can see. Then yeah, okay, short showing it here, but I'll see you guys in the next recap. Bye.